Hey Tech Nation, yep, a third episode filmed in the car. I'm telling you, I'm getting these episodes done. These have been on my mind. That's why I'm filming them now in the car while I'm waiting. It's raining outside. I got nothing else to do. I got to get these out of my head. So many things are happening in the world of technology. We talked about AI, where people can replace your face onto other people and pretend that it's you. We talked about Apple HomePod and that whole fiasco, how late they are, how expensive they are, and how they don't play with others. Well, today we're talking cryptocurrency. This is going to be a big, people are not going to like what I'm going to say because I'm warning everybody just to stay away from cryptocurrency. Stay away from Bitcoin. Stay away from all the cryptocurrencies. I believe there's 5 versions now. It's volatile. It's dangerous. Not anybody takes cryptocurrency. It's not like you can go and on Walmart.com or Amazon.com or anywhere. There's very few places. It's an underground thing going on right now. People, oh, you know what cryptocurrency is? Okay. Cryptocurrency is a worldwide electronic currency. And they call it cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is probably the most famous. And I've seen horror stories. People getting hacked and their Bitcoin wallets being jacked. I've seen people lose millions. I've seen it plummet to zero. I've seen it come up way past 11,000 a Bitcoin. It's all over the place, guys. There's so much hype. It's a new thing. It's just unstable. It's a completely unstable area. Just stay away from it. Let the big boys risk all their money. But I'm telling you right now, one of the cryptocurrency exchanges in Japan just got jacked for like $400 million worth of Bitcoins. That's right, it's that easy. Bam. So if you don't know how it works, I kind of did a little research on mining a Bitcoin. And there's like, I'm going to be real vague about this because I really don't care about spending too many hours researching this. But what I do know is this: you have to use your computer and software to mine a Bitcoin. And there's this container you've got to unlock. It's got a padlock on it. And when you open the padlock, you get a Bitcoin or you get a few Bitcoins. I'm not sure if it's more than one. But that's how you mine for it. But there's like millions and millions of combinations. It could take all this electricity on your computer. It could burn through CPU power. That's where you get the value of your Bitcoin is the electricity and the CPU energy that you're making to mine this Bitcoin. I hope I'm correct. If I'm not, please add to it down below in the comments and explain how you understand it to be. But after that, you have to have a wallet online, a digital wallet, and you have to have it encrypted. But it could still be hacked. It's very easily being hacked by many people. It's just a scary arena. I'm not going to, or you could buy a Bitcoin. You can take cash and buy a Bitcoin. But I'm not going to take my money that works everywhere and invest it in a Bitcoin that works almost nowhere. All right? It's just not going to happen. Why would I do that when my money still works everywhere? So anyway, if you're looking into getting into Bitcoins, I'm just warning you. It's volatile. At any moment it could crash. Even the exchanges that have millions and billions of dollars worth of Bitcoins are getting jacked. Someday there may be a day where we all look at our bank accounts online and they're big fat zeros. So keep that mattress handy with a few $1,000s tucked away in case that day comes. Because if that happens, if the entire economy hits zero for some strange hacking reason, which everybody's been hacked and we can't keep them away, well, you got a few bucks in your pocket to try and feed your family. I'm not trying to freak people out. I'm not trying to scare people. But I'm telling you, I've watched Bitcoin from the early days. I've watched it. It fluctuated and fluctuated. It crashed. It was horrible. And then it made this big boom. It's in a big bubble right now. And that bubble's going to break. And people are stealing Bitcoins everywhere. It's a mess. So anyway, that's it, guys. I'd love to know your thoughts. I'd love to know how you feel. You may not agree with me. Everybody has their own opinion. But for right now, that's it, Tech Nation. I'll see you on the next Tech Time.